I've just bought and cleaned a pumpkin, a medium-sized pumpkin to make pumpkin pies, which I have done this morning. So right now I'm still in the process of separating the seeds from the other things that are on the inside of the pumpkin. Alright, so I have taken all the seeds out of the pumpkin, and I rinsed them off through a strainer, and I put them on a layer of paper towel to dry them a little bit. I've gotten all the pulp or whatever that is in there in the middle of the pumpkin with the seeds. I've gotten as much out as I can, and I'm trying to dry them. Now I'm going to put them on this baking sheet on a piece of parchment paper. There are just it's not quite a cup and a half of pumpkin seeds here, but it's more than a cup. About a cup and a quarter. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on them. Probably a couple of tablespoons. And put about I don't know, maybe a half teaspoon of salt on them. And I'm going to just kind of mix them up and get the olive oil and the salt distributed. Now I'm going to spread them out. And put them in the oven at about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And they should be good to munch on by that time. So I baked our pumpkin seeds, and they're a golden brown. So I'm just going to let them cool now and put them into an airtight container, and they will make a nice snack. Thanks for stopping by.